Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have the X Maxx. This time finally I've been wanting to take this car out for the longest time, but we just came to this location and I already have the ramps set up, and we also brought the Mini Max. A little bit about the X Maxx. So obviously we are going to be running 8S on it. We are running Max 6 ESC, and then this is not the normal 1270 or 1250 motor. This is the 1600 kV motor out of the version 1 X Maxx, which is the 6X X Maxx. And also, I don't know if you guys can see that shiny bit, but it's a perfect pass normal size servo, so we are going to be trying that out in today's video as well. I am going to mount you guys down there, so hopefully everything comes out good. And all right, enough talking, let's get straight into it. Before we continue guys, I just want to say thank you to all you guys supporting my 3D printed business. I have been selling pretty good and I just really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me just starting off, but there is going to be more parts coming soon. I am working on something which I think you guys will like. Well, yeah. God damn, that thing was huge. Oh, disconnected. First, it's just disconnected. That thing took a hard ass hit though. And yeah, just disconnected. I am planning to build another one soon. But this shirt is definitely strong. I've had this for years. I WD-4'd it, like almost everything. So I've never broken like an arm yet. I've actually never broken a bulkhead or anything of that. But I did break something, which I will show you guys. Oh, now since the body's off, I'll show you. So I actually broke the chassis. I just tried to do super glue with the baking soda trick. Should we try like a front glue? Oh, I'm good with that. There you go. Front flip. Okay, now we're gonna go front flip to back flip. Oh, yes. Yeah, I think it echoes. Still pretty bouncy though. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Damn. It's probably gonna go all the way this way if I keep running. Hey, low. I mean, YOLO. I wonder if it still runs. Ooh. You know what? I don't think so. Oh, I think we're game over right there, guys. The mesh got pretty. It got pretty stiff there, and then I think this whole thing is lifted up. This is all lifted down. Look at that. Damn! Holy crap! There's gonna be more X Maxx content really soon, and comment down below what kind of 3D printed parts you want for the X Maxx. Some bumper mounts maybe, or like some roof skids if yours is getting worn out like mine. Maybe some like roof skids. So yeah, just comment down below. It's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.